have the ball between your knees, and it just wants to be gentle pressure, so you're not jamming your knees into the ball. I want you to think of the ball as something that's going to give you feedback. So your spine is long and straight, arms are stretched down towards your toes. So we're going to have a breath in, rib cage. As you exhale, allow the belly button to pull in, core first, remember it's the core first, and then start squeezing your bum cheeks and start lifting. So as you lift, I want you to notice how your knees are feeling. Do you feel like you're having to work to keep the ball there? In other words, to stop your knees from flaring? Or are you finding that your knees want to jam in? Once you're in this position, think of creating space in the hips and really stretching the legs away from you, but resting on the back of the shoulder blades. So again, no pressure or no weight in the neck. When you take your breath in at the top, make sure you keep it nice and tight, and then send your rib cage down with your bum staying in the air as long as you can until you roll yourself. So you'll notice as Paul got to the bottom there was a big curve of the lower spine, so it sunk in. Same as when he lifted, the bum comes up first, and then the spine starts to lift. So that is spine curls, really good for lower back mobility and bum work. Yeah. Thank you very much. Bye.